Do you know, if you invest just rupees 1000 per month, you can build a staggering wealth of 1 crore? Surprising, right? But it's the truth. Today I am going to share with the most important 3 financial lessons from the book Psychology of Money. Those 3 important financial lessons will definitely help you to change your mindset towards money and help you to become wealthy. Hello friends, welcome to Jayashree's Mindful Life. If you are new to my channel, then let me tell you, I am Jayashree. I create videos on healthy and productive lifestyle and help you to become healthy and productive both in your professional as well as in your personal life. Rich is the income that we earn and spend it on our lifestyle. Wealth, on the other hand, is hidden. It is the income not spent. What does this mean? Let me take an example and explain it. Suppose you have a good active income, so you buy a big house, a nice car, and go for a foreign holiday every year. While you can afford all this, only when your active income keeps coming to pay the EMIs. We judge someone's wealth by what we see because we have those information in front of us, like luxurious house, nice car, expensive clothes, or expensive smartphones. But many a times the reality is opposite. We cannot see people's bank accounts or investment statements or even their credit scores, so we rely on outward appearances to measure their financial success. We think people who have expensive stuffs will be wealthy, but the truth is the real wealth is never seen. Most of us think that the wealth is the nice car, luxurious house, or expensive smartphones. But the true wealth is turning your income into long-term financial assets. So always remember, number 1, we get our financial freedom from investing, not spending. Number 2, we need to reset our idea about wealth and start investing. Number 3, we should never buy things we cannot afford on credit. Stay with me till the end of the video. In my third point, I will discuss about the most powerful financial tool to earn crore just by investing rupees 1000 per month. People do goal-based investing. This implicitly assumes that the future is predictable. For an uncertain world, we just have to save because we can. Whatever your income is, save as much as you can for the uncertainties. Morgan, in his book, clearly stated that by decreasing our desires, we can increase our savings. Now, what do you mean by the word desires? Desire means the unwanted things that we buy to fulfill ourselves or to show off to others. But we have to realize that these are not going to create wealth in our future. So Morgan clearly stated that the money's intrinsic value is to gain control over your time. Never save on those stock markets which will give you the highest return in a very short period of time. Anything that will give you highest return in a very shorter period is never going to be worthy. Nowadays I see people investing in cryptos by putting their money on random coins just because they want to gain the highest returns. I request you all, never run for anything that will give you quick returns, because those are very risky and those are not the safest way of saving your money. You are just depreciating the value of your money. Morgan said, manage your money in such a way that it helps you to sleep at night. Don't you think it's a very simple yet powerful sentence? Do pause the video, and if you agree with this statement, go in the comment section and comment below. Now let me tell you how investing for a long duration makes you wealthy. The secret is the power of compounding. I hope you all remember the formula of compound interest, which we all have read in our school days. Let me explain this by an example. Go to the Google and type SIP calculator. This page will open where you have to give the monthly investment amount. I have given here 1000. Next, I have given 10% as the growth in investment amount. Then it is expected return in percentage. In stock market, usually the expected returns is 15. So I have given here 15%. Next is the tenure in years. So keeping retirement in my mind, I have given here 30 years of tenure. Now click the button calculate my returns. It will show that total corpus value you will gain over the period of 30 is 1.32 crores. This is the beauty of consistency of investing over a longer duration. You can earn the interest on interest, and this is the power of compounding. Morgan Housel explained this by taking an example of Warren Buffett. You all know he is the wealthiest investor of all time. Morgan tells Buffett's fortune is not due to just being a good investor. Buffett started saving when he was kid, around age 10, so his money had decades to compound. Now we all cannot go back in time and fill our investment, but what all we can do is we can start investing from now. Thank you for watching this video. If you find anything helpful from this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you all soon in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Friends, if you are new to my channel, then do visit my channel Rish's Mindful Life. This is a channel which will help you to lead a productive and healthy lifestyle, both in your professional as well as in your personal life. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and show me some love. Love you all. Take care.